Creatively displayed succulents. These are just a few of Bolivar's works. As a graphic design artist, all these creative ideas come naturally to him. Bolivar Vega lives in Ecuador. His succulent hobby started as a therapy a few years ago when he experienced depression after his mother died. During the COVID lockdown, he was forced to stay at home. That's when he began focusing on succulents. He spent the 5 months in quarantine locked up with the plants and fell in love with them. When it was time for him to return to work, he noticed that during the first month, he felt so calm. But in the second month, he started to feel uneasy and wanted to get out of work to be with his succulents. So, he quit his job and dedicated himself full-time to working with succulents and turning his hobby into a business. Then comes the birth of QuintoSolSuculentas. He started making arrangements and terrariums. Later, he was shipping the plants nationwide. He is committed to ensuring his customers' trust and satisfaction by sending them good quality plants and minimizing stress during transport so that the plants will easily adapt to their new location. The prices of his plants range from $1 to $40. In Ecuador, the basic monthly salary is equivalent to over $425. Bolivar's approximate sales each month is more than $1,000, thanks to Facebook, where he does most of his marketing. He would publish an album of the plants available for the month and ship them nationwide. Aside from selling the plants and his arrangements, he also does landscaping. He can transform a garden into a succulent oasis like this. Take a look at his work. Bolivar has collected many succulents, from these beautiful rosette-forming echeverias to these exotic lithops or living stones. For now, most of what he sells is being reinvested in buying more mother plants so that he will have additional varieties to sell in the future. If you are into succulents and would like to turn your hobby into an income-generating one, know that it is possible. Because of global inflation, everything is so expensive nowadays. Having an extra source of income can significantly help. Taking another job you do not like can add more stress to you, and you might get sick later. But if you can earn a few dollars doing what you love, like gardening with succulents, it won't feel like working at all. In fact, working with succulents can help reduce your stress. And depending on what you love doing, there are multiple ways your succulent hobby can bring in extra cash. You can sell succulent cuttings as I do, conduct workshops like Michelle of the Succulent Bar, or make hyper-tofa pots and sell the succulents in them like Sol in Bahrain. And if you too successfully turn your succulent hobby into a business or a side hustle and would like to inspire others, please do not hesitate to share your story with us.